Ibigin ka'y kasalanan.
What made me accept it is, of course, I'll be working with Ding Dong Dantes and Miss Maricel Soriano. Plus, the story. She is very far from my real attitude because she's very aggressive. Well, I know what I want, pero siya talaga, she's gonna go for what she wants. Like, sinabi niya kaagad kay Anthony yung nararamdaman niya for him. The fact na medyo mahirap makuha yung attention ni Anthony. Aminin na lang natin, sometimes we like the things that we can't have. She thinks it's love, but I think for me it's not yet. Kasi they don't know each other that much. But it's the chase. Pero I'm sure she's gonna fall in love with Anthony. Well, with Ding Dong, I've worked with Ding Dong already in Tick Tick Aswang Chronicles. He's always been good. And I'm glad nga now that we'll get to actually shoot more scenes together. I'm looking forward to doing a lot of scenes with him kasi finally, drama yung ginagawa namin. And mas may puso yung gagawin namin this time. And with Miss Maricel Soriano, of course, matagal ko ng pangarap na makasama siya, makatrabaho ko siya. And here, we shot our vlog shoot. The way she looked at me straight sa mata, parang, it says a lot, so much. Parang ang lalim, parang ang daming pinagdaanan, which is kind of intimidating and I feel excited at the same time kasi makaka-eksena ko siya eh. I think it's too much for me to accept. Siguro kaya dapat importante sa bawat babae na magkaroon sila ng sarili nilang mundo, yung nakakatayo sila sa sarili nilang mga paa, para eventually, if something happens, like something like yung Anthony and Sheila story, kaya mong umalis, kaya mong mag-isa. God, ang hirap niya na. Kasi I call that yung kasal sa puso is emotional infidelity. Yung kahit wala kang ginagawa, yun yung tawag ko dun eh. You're not doing anything, but yet you're still in love with this person. That's called, for me, emotional infidelity. Oh my God, ang hirap nun. Importante sa akin, I think it's, kasal sa papel, of course. I mean, sa harap ng Diyos, syempre, sinabi mo na yung vows mo sa harap ng Diyos. Sometimes, it's sad to say, some people won't end up with their true love. I think so. Kaya nga importante na kahit you guys are married, na meron kayong sariling mundo. Hindi yung buong buhay niyo umiikot sa isa't isa. Dahil, nakakasawa din yun eh. I mean, the fact, okay lang na you see each other every day, okay, fine. But then, you have to let your guy, your husband, your wife, do their own thing and let them grow, parang grow separately and grow together. For me kasi, I believe in second chances naman. But I also believe that it can happen again. It's the risk, parang you have to take that risk eh. Kasi alam mo nang nagawa niya na, pwede niya gawin ulit yon. Pero choice mo naman yun if you're gonna go through that situation again. I tell my friend, of course, I'd be so loyal to my friend talaga. Sasabihin ko. No doubt about it. People think they own something. They think hindi na mawawala sa kanila eh. Sometimes, we shouldn't look at marriage as ownership. I think some people look at it that way. That they think that the girl that they love or their wives are gonna stay there forever. I believe so. It is possible to love two people at the same time. Marami silang matututunan eh. Kumbaga, I mean, it's so cliche na sabihin na huwag ibigay yung lahat. Pero talagang kailangan mo magtira para sa sarili mo. You have to know your limitations. You have to know talaga kung hanggang saan man yung dapat mong ibigay. Abangan niyo po ang dalawang Mrs. Real. Sigurado po ako na magugustuhan niyo po ang istorya nito. Sa June 2 na po.
Ang ibigin ka'y kasalanan. Hayaan mo silang ako ay husgahan.